Good evening and welcome to another episode of West Milford Township Library Skywatch. In each episode, we'll take a look at the night sky above West Milford and look at the stars as they can be seen with the naked eye. We'll next go on to connect the dots to see forms of constellations, and then we'll focus on a particular constellation or event and tell the story behind it. June 20, 2020 marks the summer solstice for those of us living in the Northern Hemisphere. This will occur for those of us in Eastern Daylight Time at 4:44 p.m. The exact dates vary with the latitude, but the sequence of the solstice is always the same. The earliest sunrise comes before the solstice, the longest day occurs on the summer solstice, and the latest sunset occurs after the summer solstice. After the June solstice, the sun begins its subtle shift southward on the sky's dome again. The word solstice comes from the Latin words sol for sun and stitium meaning still or stopped. The ancients noticed that as summer progressed, the sun stopped moving northward in the sky, then began tracking southward again as summer turned to autumn. Neolithic humans may initially have started to observe the summer solstice as a marker to figure out when to plant and harvest crops. In ancient Egypt, the summer solstice corresponded with the rise of the Nile River. Its observance may have helped to predict annual flooding. The evening of the solstice will be a wonderful night for stargazing, featuring the constellation Leo. We'll talk about that in another episode of West Milford Township Library Star Watch. Thank you for joining us.